Happy Monday, y'all. We had a great start of the week as we were all expecting to have a great start of the week. With the perfect number closing at $55 a share. Could have been higher, I know, but we have time. So no need to panic, to worry, because as a matter of fact, after hours, we're already up $1.30 a share. All right, guys, there is something really important. We already know that we are going places, that we are going to the moon and even past the moon, okay? Pluto, Venus, Uranus, whatever. Now, as more days go by, as we are approaching this end game to really pop, more and more pieces are trying and now, lining up. We have more information being uncovered, more secrets being uncovered, more information, from the hedges and Wall Street and the suits being leaked. And the last news here is a Wall Street broker, a Wall Street billionaire. Wall Street billionaire pretty much confirming what we are all in here for, okay? So this guy, Thomas Peterfy, he's the founder and the chair of Interactive Brokers, okay? This is a huge brokerage firm. If you don't know it, one of the very first brokerage firms here in the US. Now, they are huge firm. The guy is like a veteran of Wall Street. And he's saying pretty much something that a lot of billionaires or either Wall Street, known and famous guy are maybe afraid to say. Pretty much he's saying, guys, if I were a short sellers on AMC stock, I'll be really careful because the prices could hit unimaginable highs, okay? The guy is cautioning investors against shorting the crop of volatile stock, especially AMC stock, because the price can continue to hit meteoric highs before eventually they settle down to the fundamental values. We all know this. But for someone like this to really, say that on air, man, it's the holy grail for us. This means to the world outside that, hey, finally, these real guys, these apes, they're not so dumb. Because more and more days, time goes by, a lot more professional, a lot more veterans, a lot more, people familiar with the matter of the short squeeze and Wall Street, they are now coming out and saying, hey, these guys, they're correct. They are correct. Listen here, you may have to cover on the high point. You may have to cover at one point, okay? The shorts are already selling. I don't even know why these guys continue to hang out on their positions, because they're losing money every single week. Every single day they're losing money, okay? Every single day they're losing money. Now, the takeaway from these guys is that it is extremely tempting to short these stocks for people having the money. But when he's mentioning unimaginable highs, what do you think he's talking about? Maybe he's talking about 100. Well, you can say, triple digit for AMC stock. I can see it happening. Can you see it happen 5,000, 10,000, 100,000? Can you see it happen? That's why the guy is referring to unimaginable highs, like meteoric highs, like something you would never even imagine, even you holding AMC stock. Well, I totally agree. We are in this for this same reason. And if we continue to hold even tighter when these hedges cover, and we know they have to cover hundreds of millions of shares through synthetic, through naked, well, if we hold, then they are going to buy those shares at the price we set. And as of now, personally, I want 100,000 for my shares, okay?